Hello my dear students, welcome to my Easy Maths class. Today I have decided to show you few important problems for class 10 obviously. Okay, since exam is approaching, so day by day you are also preparing yourself. So please go through this problem. What is given? Solve. If a by ax minus 1 plus b by bx minus 1 is equal to a plus b, where x not is equal to 1 by a and 1 by b. We have to solve it. Okay, so this one is quadratic equation. All of you know all the quadratic equations have two roots, so you have to find it. Okay, let's see. First we are doing one thing. A by ax minus 1 minus b, bringing b and a here, bring b here and a here, b bx minus 1 minus a. Just see how it is being done. There are various methods, but you should opt for the method that will take less time. Okay? So, please take a look. After bringing b here and a here, that is minus b minus a, separately I did both the simplification. Okay? Here I got a minus abx plus b. Here it is also almost same. B minus abx plus a, almost same thing. Now I am separating this one. A plus b minus abx. Here it is ax minus 1, bx minus 1. Okay, since there are two factors whose product is 0, means either this one is 0 or this one is 0, isn't it? Either a plus b minus abx is equal to 0, or 1 by ax minus 1, 1 by bx minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, a plus b is equal to abx, or a plus b by ab is equal to x. That is, we can say x is equal to a by ab, b by ab. That is 1 by a, 1 by b. Okay. So we got the first root, x is equal to 1 by a plus 1 by b. Let's see what is coming here. 1 by ax minus 1 is equal to minus bx minus 1. After cross multiplication, this one becomes, that is minus ax plus 1, or we can say ax plus bx is equal to 2, or therefore x is equal to 2 by a plus b. Therefore answer have been, the answer is x is equal to 1 by a plus 1 by b, and again x is equal to 2 by a plus b. Okay, so in quadratic equation we have found two answers, right? So try to understand the main important part is here. Please pay special attention here. Here B is brought first and A brought second. Then after them individually both the simplifications separately done here. Then the rest is nothing but simple method that all of you know. Right? Here is another problem. If first and second of 5 numbers in continued proportion are 2 and 6, we have to find the fifth number. So what is given? Out of 5 numbers which are in continued proportion, first 2 given, we have to find the fifth number. So first, all of you know that continued proportion means, say if A, B, C, D are in continued proportion, then A by B or A is to B is equal to B is to C is equal to C is to D is equal to D is to C, like this. So here we are writing like this. Let A, B, C are in continued proportion where first 2 numbers are 2, 6 respectively. Therefore you can say 2 is to 6 is equal to 6 is to A is equal to A is to B is equal to B is to C. Or you can say 2 by 6 is equal to 6 by A is equal to A by B is equal to B by C. Right? So altogether 2, 6 and A, B, C are in continued proportion. Right? Where we have to find the value of C actually. But we cannot find the value of C unless we can find A and B. So let's start. 2 by 6 is equal to 6 by A is equal to A by B is equal to B by C. That's why they are in continued proportion. Okay. Therefore you can say 2 by 6 is equal to 6 by A. That is 2A is equal to 6 into 6, or A is equal to 6 into 6 by 2, that is 18. Next, 6 by 18, first I am writing like this. 6 by A is equal to A by B. That is 6 by 18 is equal to 18 by B. That is 6B is equal to 18 into 18. So B is equal to 18 into 18 by 6. That is 54. Right. Next. A by B is equal to B by C. That is A means 18. 18 by 54 is equal to 54 by 6. That is 18 C is equal to 54 into 54. So C is 54 into 54 by 18. That is 162. So the answer is C is equal to 162. Okay. So by continued proportion, step by step, we have found First A is equal to 18, then B is equal to 54, and then C is equal to 162. Hope all of you have followed this particular type. So I want everyone to do it by your own. Okay. Here is another problem from variation. What is given? If a square plus b square proportional to ab, show that a square minus b square proportional to ab. So what is given? A square plus b square proportional to ab given. Right. Now, how to start it and how to proceed? Let's see. We can say a square plus b square is equal to KAB, where K is variation constant. Variation constant. Now we can say a square plus b square by AB is equal to K, or we can say a square plus b square by 2ab, that is multiplying both denominator by 2, we got k by 2. Try to understand. A square plus b square by 2ab is equal to k by 2. Now by componendo dividendo. Now by componendo dividendo, what we are getting? A square plus b square plus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to k plus 2 by k minus 2. Therefore, a plus b whole square here and a minus b whole square is equal to k plus 2 by k minus 2, or by square rooting we can have a plus b by a minus b is equal to root over k plus 2 by k minus 2. Right, it is. It means, let this one is m. Let this one is m. Root over k plus 2 by k minus 2 can be considered as m. Okay. Now, again by componendo dividendo. Again by componendo dividendo, we can find a plus b plus a minus b by a plus b minus a plus b is equal to m plus 1 by m minus 1, or we can say 2a by 2b is equal to m plus 1 by m minus 1, or we can say a by b is equal to m plus 1 by m minus 1, that is equal to, we can consider as n. Right? Here m is variation constant, or we can say here m is equal to this one. Okay, and here also n is equal to m plus 1 by m minus 1, that we can say. Therefore, we can say a is equal to bn. Now what to find out? Please remember, k, here it is m, n are nothing but constant terms. Okay. Now we have to show that a square minus b square proportional to ab. We can write a square minus b square by ab is equal to, all the a's being replaced by bn. Now what we are getting? B square n square minus b square by bn into b, that is b square n square minus 1 b square n. So that is equal to n square minus 1 by n, that is nothing but constant term. So we can say a square minus b square proportional to ab. proved. So my dear students, please follow one thing. Whenever you will find any important problems from anywhere, test papers or from anywhere, just start doing. Okay, and always you will do it by your own. That will boost up your confidence. Okay, so during our next class, I'll keep showing these sort of important questions. Till then, goodbye.